Hey, good morning, everybody. We're out here in Paris this morning. We're having a mobile home delivered on the lot that we purchased. We purchased this lot for $150. It had a single wide. That was removed. It was taken away, probably in Tijuana someplace. Who knows where it's at. The new mobile home's coming in. We're going to get shots of that. All in about $150 for the purchase and installation and everything we're going to show you today. At the end of the day, we're hoping to get about $489 for this place. So we'll keep you apprised as to what's going on. But anyway, let's take a look around and I'll show you kind of the process of what's going on this morning. So we got a water line over here, and they've tapped into the water line. They leave the trench right there because they need to put the mobile home in place first. Once the mobile home in place, they'll go ahead and finish the trench and put the water up to the mobile home. Gas line, same situation over in the corner. Partially trenched, and then they'll finish trenching all the way up to where the mobile home's going to sit, which is this white rock area that we have here. So again, we took the other mobile home out and they leveled this off. They had to move the sewer line, as you can see over here. They moved it, it was connected right here, but then they decided to move it here outside of where the mobile home is going to sit. And we also had to move the electric back a little bit. The electric was over here where this pole was. Electric was originally here, and that got moved back here and upgraded the panel. All this stuff, you do require permits to do everything. So you get permits from the city and then do all this work. You do all this preliminary work, and then the neat part is the installation of the mobile home. So we bought a double wide, so it means 2 trips. So single wide is going to come. They're going to install it right here. They're going to set it in place. Then the trucker is going to go back to the factory, which is in Riverside. They pick up the other half, bring it back, and then they literally marry the two together and bolt them together. And honestly, when you look inside, you can't even see where they bolted it. It's pretty amazing the way they do it. This comes with some pier supports at the bottom, and that gives it a permanent foundation, which is what's required for a lender to lend on this property. HUD is usually the preferred lender, FHA loans, things like that, but they have to have what's called a 433A certification, and that's how you end up getting it with the piers that they're going to install on the bottom here. Okay guys, half of it's here, just arrived. And as you can see behind me, they're getting ready to hook it up and put it in place. And the driver's here. He's got the Sawzall in his hand. The contractor's one with the black shirt, and they're trying to decide, okay, where exactly they're going to place it and how they're going to place it. So we've had to do a little bit of cutting of the sewer pipe to get that down to ground level so that he could bring the mobile home a little bit over to the right here. So in a few minutes, they're going to start backing it up, and we're going to show you that as well. Okay, hey, we're inside half of it. Okay, we'll take a quick look around. Parts is parts. They got stuff that they're going to put the carpet, which is right here, and that's the underlayment for the carpeting that's going to go on the other side. Well, obviously we can't get over on the other side. Let me see if I can peek around. No, I can't even peek because it's sealed off over there. Anyways, this is what he say to the living room. Mm-hmm. This was the living room. Yep. So here we are. Again, half of it, and then the other half is going to get attached to this, and then you're going to have a whole double wide mobile home here. But at the end of the day, you know, look around, as you can see, you've got a brand new home basically at the end of the day. This is pretty awesome. Comes with everything. The smoke detector. What are the little surround circles? Is that for sprinklers or no?
Yeah.
Sprinklers?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, sprinklers. That's pretty awesome. Huge windows all the way around this mobile home. They've got windows all the way around. So pretty nice. A big window and then a little window on the top there. They even send you out with paint and everything else that you're going to need just to trim it up at the end of the day. The baseboards here for the sides. As soon as they put the two together, then you can put everything back together over here. Okay, let's see what we got. We got basically two halves here, and here we are, the other half. Nice. Very nice. Kitchen, dining room, all the appliances are in, the refrigerator. Man, this all comes ready to go. I can feel we're a little lopsided here. They haven't leveled anything, obviously. They just put the stuff together. I like how they rubber band that stuff together there so it doesn't flop all over the place. Nice cooktop. The black looks nice. I don't know why they put that black, but anyways, whatever. And then this has how many bedrooms? Three?
Three, yeah.
3 bedrooms. So we got the laundry room here. Nice. Oh, this is really spacious. Mm-hmm. Very nice. Oh, I've got more closets in here than knows what to do with. Look at this. Holy moly. Oh, this is the air conditioning? Or?
Yeah, the furnace. And the
oh, okay, the furnace.
Smart.
But we haven't put the air conditioning. That comes next. Yep. Oh, and that goes into the other one. That goes into the other one. Bathroom. Pretty much that's it, ready to go. Yep. Just put it together. That goes into the primary. Okay. Somebody needs to clean up the floor here. Mm-hmm. I need to answer this.